Picture this, you open up your iPhone and your storage is completely full. You go into settings and look up your iPhone storage and you see that iMessage is taking up dozens and dozens of gigabytes of space. So today we're going to talk about the various ways you can fix this. So let's get into it. So option number one is to keep all of your messages saved in iCloud, and it's relatively easy to set up in settings. Now, as a user with multiple devices, iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks, this has never worked incredibly well for me, but I'm still going to go ahead and show you how you can set it up. What I'm going to do is click into Settings. I'll click on my iCloud account up top. I'm going to click here where the iCloud storage is. And then if you see on the bottom left, I've got Messages. I will click there, and you can click Use on this iPhone. When you click that, it's going to start moving your messages into iCloud. So you're going to want to make sure that you're on one of those paid iCloud subscription plans so that way you have enough storage for all of your photos and videos and messages. Now, if you've got multiple Apple devices, you're going to want to make sure this is set up across all of them. So if you're on iPhone or if you're on your iPad, go into Settings and iCloud and adjust that there. If you're on your Mac, you're going to have to go into the Messages app. You're going to have to go into Settings, and you're going to want to make sure that you click Enable Messages in iCloud. Now, all of your devices should be syncing all of their messages into iCloud. So let's move on to the second option, which is to adjust the messages history in settings. What we're going to do is open up settings here. We'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and click apps. And then what we're going to do is jump down to messages. Here we go. If we scroll all the way to the bottom of that, I know it's scrolling a lot down to the bottom, you'll see message history. If you keep there, there's three options: 30 days, 1 year, and forever. If you're new to an iPhone or an iPad, it usually defaults to forever, but I would suggest switching that to 30 days or 1 year. So let's say you have that set to 30 days. What exactly does that mean? That means any messages that you send today are going to be deleted on the 31st day. So 31 days from now, anything sent today is removed, and it will continue that cycle to keep your message threads clean. The third and final way to clear these messages is doing it manually, and it is painful, but it does work, and there's a few different ways in which you can do it. So what I'm going to do is go into Settings. I'm going to click General, and I'm going to click iPhone Storage here. Here you can see a breakdown of all your apps, all your messages. This is typically where you'd see messages taking up dozens and dozens of gigabytes. But what you can do is click Review Large Attachments here. And this is going to list all of the largest photo and video and other attachments that are in your messages. Now what you can do is easily delete the biggest files and save you space. So what I'm going to do is click the Edit button here. What I can do is just go down the line and just toggle a few of these here, and then I will click Delete, and they are gone. If you do this for dozens or hundreds or even thousands of images, it's going to be painful and you're going to be clicking a lot. What I would recommend is once you delete all of them, give your phone 5 minutes just to process what you just did and restart your phone. And then when you go back into iPhone settings, you'll notice that a lot of that data is gone. Now you can also do this from within specific message threads if you need to be a bit more careful about the images and photos that you delete. What I'll do is go ahead and open up messages here. I'll click into a thread. And then what I'm going to do is click the icons up top for all of us in the message thread. And I'm going to scroll down and click See All Photos here. Now, these are all of the photos within this thread over the last year. What I'm going to do is click Select, and I'm going to just go and click through a few of them, and I'm going to click Delete. Again, that was just 6 attachments, and if you need to do hundreds or dozens or thousands, you're going to be clicking and tapping a lot. Again, click Delete. Wait a few minutes and restart your phone, and you'll notice that your iPhone storage will continue to go down and you'll get some of that precious space back. Again, this manual method is really, really painful, and I'm sorry that you're going through this, but this will give you that extra storage space that you're looking for. Apple, if you're watching this, please give us an easy way to delete mass photos and videos across threads. It would be so much better than doing this process. I should also note that if you're deleting messages from within a thread or from within that large attachments menu, those are only deleting from your text messages. Those photos are not being removed from your iCloud or Photos library. So know that your photos are still safe. So that's how you go about clearing excess photo, video, and iMessage data that might be clogging up your phone. If you learned something new, throw it down in the comments below. And if not, I'd love to see it in the next video. Thanks for watching.